Peripheral Nerve Disorders. Introduction. If nerves become damaged, they cannot send and receive messages well. Select true or false. Correct. If nerves become damaged, they cannot send and receive messages well. This can cause problems with movement and sensation. Pain and numbness in the limbs are common symptoms of peripheral nerve disorders. Select true or false. Correct. Symptoms of peripheral nerve disorders often start gradually and then get worse. The first treatment for diabetic neuropathy is to make sure blood sugar levels are under control. Select true or false. Correct. Keeping blood sugar levels under control can help prevent further nerve damage. GBS causes the brain to receive fewer sensory signals from the body. Select true or false. Correct. Damage to the peripheral nerves caused by GBS makes it hard for the nerves to transmit signals. This can affect the ability to feel textures, heat, pain, and other sensations. A nerve may be compressed as the result of an injury. Select true or false. Correct. Some peripheral nerve disorders may result from a nerve being compressed. Nerve compression may have many different causes. Thank you for using Explain.